Plunge San Diego. We are so excited that you joined us today, but first we'd like to go over a few rules.
Please no outside food or drink inside the facility. We have items available for purchase at our Plunge store.
Children under 52 inches are required to wear a life jacket, or they may pass a swim test. If you would like a swim test, request one at our front desk.
Swimwear is required upon entering the pool. Please no streetwear or outside shoes. Aquatic shoes are acceptable.
Guests are not allowed to stand or jump off the island in the shallow end of the pool. Basketball must be played from inside of the pool, not from the side of the pool. It's only feet first entry everywhere into the plunge, including on the obstacle course. If you fall off the obstacle course, you must swim around it, never underneath it. Guests are not permitted to walk across the bulkhead separating the deep end and the shallow end.
Plunge staff have complete authority at all times. Please visit our website or our front desk for complete rules and regulations.
We are so glad that you joined us today. Safety is always number one at the plunge. If you have a positive experience while you're here, please leave us a review on Yelp, TripAdvisor, or Google, and make sure you follow our social media accounts.
And remember, have fun!